Hey Harish, so in the last video where we left off, the problem was that we were quitting right after entering a command. And if you look at the game class, this play method, which is the one we run at the beginning to play the game, the way that we decide if the game is finished is with this this Boolean here, finished. So finished starts out being false, and then it says while not finished, go through here, and finish gets assigned the output from process command. Okay, so if process command outputs a false, then we stay inside the loop. If process command outputs a true, then we quit. Okay, so yeah, so let's look at how that works in the, this is the example from the book, the enums thing. So the way it works in Zuul with enums 2 is we initialize a Boolean, want to quit, we initialize to false, and then if we've actually decided to quit, well, want to quit gets assigned the output from the quit command. Okay, so actually quit will only return true if you do the quit correctly. In other words, if you don't, I think if you don't input a second word, if you type just the word quit, then this should return a true. Okay, so so that's what you want to do. You want to decide if you're going to return a true or a false in process command. So if process command returns a true, then that means you're going to quit. Okay, if process command returns a false, then you're staying in the game, you continue playing. Alright, so let's see what we have in here. So for your process command, you have a want to quit equals false, and you set want to quit using the quit command, but you unconditionally return a true. And if you return a true, that's when you quit the game. Okay, so you're always quitting the game. That's why you're always quitting the game after just one command, which is not what we want. All right, so let's fix that by just we can do a copy want to quit and put that over here. Okay, and compile that, and then that way we'll stay in the game until we're done. Okay, new game, play. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna quit this because I forgot to clear the screen. So I'm gonna start over here. Okay. All right. So now I have a clear terminal window. And reset. Alright, new game, boom, play. Alright, go south. Okay, so now we're still playing. Okay, so yeah, so this is why it's really important to, every time you make changes, you want to test and make sure everything's still working. I think, let's see, one of the things that they ask, and one of the, I can't remember now which exercise it is, but I'll look it up and send it to you. But in one of the exercises, they ask you to write a command called items, which will show you what items you have in your backpack. Okay, so we'll use that for when you're doing take and drop to make sure that you're collecting the items that you think you're collecting, and then it's very easy to see on the screen. Okay, so that's the only thing I can think of looking at it offhand. And then if there's something, if you can tell me exactly if you've implemented one of the ones in 641 to 648, if you can tell me in your you know, the next time you email me which one that is, so I can check it out, then that would be great. But yeah, you're almost there. So hang in. It won't be long now.